Okay, solution time. Let's get straight to it. First thing I'm going to do is select everything and take it all into edit mode so that I don't have to keep going in and out of it. So this one looks pretty simple. It's saying recreate the shape. They all are. And extrusions are 0.5 millimeters. Okay, so that's nice and simple. This face here, let's hit E and let's put in 0.5. Done. Right, number 2. This one is 2 of them. So let's go this one here to do them both. Let's go Alt-E, then extrude along normals, 0.5. Great. Next one, we have this one here. Right, this looks like a weird shape. Actually, no, we know exactly what's going on here. It is these faces here. We're going to type in E and put in 0.5. Oops, I still had my last shape selected. Let me undo that. Just grab these, E 0.5, and that recreates that shape there. Right. Let's go to this one here. Recreate the shape. Okay, so it's this face, and that face. And Alt-E, we're going to extrude faces along normal. We're going 0.5, and we're also typing in S to scale it properly, and then we're going to hit enter. Okay, next up we've got a nice pretty simple one, looks like it. So this one right here, it's going directly upwards. I think this is just an E and up. E 0.5. Okay, nothing that special. Right, what's going on here? All right, a little bit more complicated now. So let's see, I'm selecting this one, that one, that one, that one, and that one. That's an individual extrusion that's happened here. So let's go Alt-E, individual faces, 0.5, and hit enter. Okay, so that's the first 6 sorted. Let's see what's going on now. Oh, wow, these next ones look a little bit more complicated. So I've got to recreate this shape. I have a feeling this has been more than one extrusion. And yep, okay, so first one looks pretty simple. It's an edge loop here. Let's hit E. Oh, wait 1 second. It doesn't give me a constraint. All right, well, let's constrain it. So Z, yep, that looks right. We're all the extrusions are 0.5. Okay, and then I have a feeling he then extruded it once again. So extrude it once again. On the Z, 0.5. Yeah, all right. Now I'm going to select this ring here. Go Alt-E. Oh, things are going a bit weird. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go out of edit mode, go back into edit mode, and see what happens there. No. Sometimes this happens. So we've got to go back into edit mode, reselect what we want. Alt-E, there we go. Extrude individual faces. Once again, 0.5. Perfect. Right. Now let's go over here, select both of these, and let's go into edit mode. Right. This one looks a little bit complicated. Okay, I have a feeling we're going to go top view, X-ray to see through. We're then going to select half of our circle here. So with half of that selected, go back out of X-ray view, and now let's do our extrusion. So that will be Alt-E. Everything seems to have gone down on its normal. So let's go along face normals. Yeah, let's put in 0.5. Oh, the other direction. So let's type in minus. Okay, that's that one done. And then what do we have? We've got all these weird edges here. So let's do that first. So that looks like a loop select of that there, plus a loop select of this here. Then let's go Alt-E along individual faces. Yep, 0.5. All right. Now we've got this one here. Is it a loop selection? No, because that's selecting everything all the way around. You know what I want to do? I'm going to do a path selection here. So holding down Control, I can click and it's going to follow the quickest path to where I last clicked. All right, and I have a feeling that this is just a normal E extrusion. Yeah, that looks it. And let's go 0.5. All right, so that's that one. Okay, what's going on this one? This one looks rather easy. Okay, so let's grab those eyes that it looks like it has right this minute. So this one here and this one here. This just looks like a normal extrusion. Let's go E. Wait 1 second, that's not right. That's going out at an angle. How do I get it to go up? Just up. All right, that must be E, Z, Z. There we go. So now I'm going upwards, and we'll go 0.5. And now let's grab this little mouth bit. I'm going to use this dialogue. Let's go this mouth. I'm going to use the control path once again. And let's see, I think this is just an E once again. E, yep, that looks like it. Let's go 0.5, 0.5 minus, so it goes inwards. That looks like I've done it, yep. And next up, okay, recreate the shape. Yes, it is poor extrusion, but how did I make it in one extrusion? Okay, so yes, by no means am I saying do extrusions like this, because we have right here a thin face that has come from an extrusion. That is not the right thing to do. Right, this face here, that's not what we're wanting to do. We've got coplanar there, but how did I create that? Well, I gather that is just going to be E, and then it's along one of the axes. Let's go, is it Z? Okay, remember that the face has now their own local axis, so Z again, no. Is it X, X, Z, Z, Y, Y. There we have it. Y, Y gives you that crazy different constraint now. Let's put in 0.5 minus, and there we go. We have recreated. And that there is the course done and dusted.